The time now, it's 5 o'clock on this Monday, February the 3rd, 2014 on a Monday, and it's time now for the Weather Magician PJ Wiggins. The evening report. Monday evening, February the 3rd, 2014. Good evening, everybody. Our current conditions at 5 o'clock in North Massachusetts got a temperature of 32 degrees with a humidity of 92%, light snow, fog and mist, wind speed enough for about 7 miles per hour barometers. 30.15 inches, droop at about 30 degrees, and a visibility 1 mile, and a wind chill about 25 degrees. Okay, let's take a look at our radar scope.
Now here's a current look at the radar. We still have some pretty good bands of snow.
Good bands of snow from much of eastern Massachusetts and central Massachusetts down to Connecticut, down to Rhode Island, and down on the Long Island. And stretching out to the New Hampshire, Massachusetts coastline, and then southern New Hampshire. Bands of snow showers in western portions of Nova Scotia stretch out to Nova Scotia. Snow showers in central portions of Nova Scotia. Little blobs of snow showers in northeast portions of Prince Edward Island. And the bands of snow showers stretching out to southern portions of around New York City and northern New Jersey and on the Long Island and central New Jersey. Blobs of snow showers in the northwest portions of Vermont, upstate New York, central New York, and down in west New York, down in the central and northern portions of Ontario. Snow showers in northeastern and west-eastern portions of Ontario, down west central portions of Quebec. Land rain showers in east central portions of North Carolina, land of rain showers down the Carolina coast. Some rain showers in some portions of South Carolina. Rain showers in east central portions of Georgia. Rain showers up eastern Florida, down for southern Florida. Rain showers up the western panhandle of Florida. There. Snow and sleet and rain showers in Arizona, stretching out to New Mexico. Snow showers in western central portions of Colorado, down for southeastern portions of Wyoming. Snow showers in western portions of Iowa, down for Nebraska, stretching out to South Dakota. Snow showers also from eastern California, down for Nevada, down for Utah, stretching out to Idaho, down eastern Oregon and Washington, down for western Montana, and the snow showers are down for western Washington, down for western Oregon, with the breathing. Sleet and snow showers in northwestern Oregon coastline here. Snow showers in southwestern portions of Ontario. Snow showers in west central and western portions of Saskatchewan and east central portions of Alberta. Geraldine, Montana. Good evening. 7 degrees with light snow and snow showers in south central portions of British Columbia. Let's take a look at our satellite loop, and it shows. Wow, look at that. A lot of clouds from New England stretching it down and up to Atlantic Canada, stretching it down through the eastern seaboard, down through the Gulf States, and down for Texans, covering much of the western 2/3 of the United States, down for much of Canada, from British Columbia, stretching all the way out to Quebec here. And the clouds stretching out in the western Gulf of Mexico, down for the eastern Mexican coastline, and the clouds from Texas down for western Mexican coastline here. Alright, let's take a look at our map situation. It's high pressure center in the northeastern portion of Illinois, southern portions of Saskatchewan, low pressure center in the southern portion of Nevada, southern portions of Idaho. Station front from eastern British Columbia down for Montana, and cold front from Montana down for Wyoming, and down to Nebraska, down for Iowa, down for Wisconsin, and stretching it out in Ontario with a pink front and up in Ontario. Cold front from western Gulf of Mexico and western Mexico, stretching it on for Arizona and the pink front in Arizona. Station front from New Mexico, stretching on western Mexico, and cold front from Mexico, stretching on for the Gulf of Mexico, stretching to northern Florida, and station front from the Carolinas, stretching out to sea. Right about it, we from western portions of Oklahoma and southern portions of Kansas. 38 degrees out temperature right now here in Boston. It's 40 out in Washington, D.C., 47 in Atlanta, 80 out in Miami, 51 out in Brownsville, 41 out in Dallas, 47 in Albuquerque, 29 in Kansas City, 20 out in Chicago, 16 out in Minneapolis, 26 out in Denver, 39 out in Salt Lake City, 7 above in Great Falls, 40 in Seattle, 56 in San Francisco, and 59 in Los Angeles. Okay, the HBC forecast discussion here. After a quick moving winter storm brought significant accumulation snow to parts of the Mid-Atlantic and then New England on Monday and Tuesday will be relatively uneventful with part to cause skies and still cold. A developing surface flow over the deep south on Tuesday is forecast to develop a track towards the northeast over the Ohio Valley on Wednesday, and a secondary lower was forecast to form near the Mid-Atlantic coast and become the primary low as it moves offshore on Wednesday night. The storm system is expected to bring widespread snow and mixed wintry precipitation from the Central Plains to the Northeast. Its formation zone should become established over the parts of Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, and Missouri, and this will likely result in a swath of heavy snow during the day and Tuesday. Over the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast, snow forecast for the interior areas of the Northeast and the wintry mix near the coast, but in the Maryland and Pennsylvania, showers and thunderstorms that are good possibly over the deep south, and plenty of the Gulf moisture is vectored northward. Elsewhere across the continental United States, expect isolated scattered snow showers over the northern and into the Rocky Mountains, especially over the favored terrain over the northern plains and upper Midwest. The severe cold should remain unabated throughout midweek with northwest flow from Canada continuing along the domestic surface high about 150 to 1,050 millibars or more, slowly settling southward in the northern United States. Another low pressure system affects the eastern United States. Scattered snow showers with Rockies and remain bitterly cold over the northern plains. Forecast discussion. Low pressure will move out to sea tonight as high pressure builds into the region for Tuesday. I think when the winter storm is expected to impact southern New England and late Tuesday night and Wednesday. Below normal temperatures then prevail throughout the end of this week. Another winter storm is possible late next weekend. Coastal low tracks south of the benchmark with this evening and move out to sea tonight. Still seeing periods of moderate snow south of the Mass Pack with light snow into the southern New Hampshire. Highest guidance and an agreement that snow will begin to wind down from northwest to southeast after 4 p.m. when the Cape and the Islands. The last to see the snow end this evening and an additional trace to 1 inch possible after 4 p.m. went up to 2 inches on the Cape. Total snow accumulation could approach 6 inches in a few spots near the south coast and the upper Cape, but generally up to 4 inches in the northeast Connecticut, Rhode Island, and southeast Massachusetts, 1 to 3 inches in the Mass Pike region, and up to 1 inch on route to northward. Clearing skies will develop overnight as high pressure builds in the region with excellent trend in the calm. Mainland temperatures mostly in the teens with lows and low to mid 20s along the immediate coast. High pressure will cross the New England will dry wherever light winds. Sunshine will give way to increase in high clouds on Tuesday in the afternoon 9.25 millibar temperatures 5 Celsius below Welch. Support maximum temperature low to mid 30s. And this is the storm total forecast for Wednesday. Yeah, Tuesday night and Wednesday. 1 to 2 inches possible from
Neighbors say they heard screams coming from the woods.
Outer Cape and the islands. 2 to 4 inches Martha's Vineyard and Middle Cape and down for extreme southeastern Massachusetts and down for southern Rhode Island and Newport and down for extreme southern coastal Rhode Island there. 4 to 6 inches possible from Upper Cape from Bourne and Sanborn down for near Plymouth and then down for the Bedford Fall River, stretching out into Providence, and down for the Rhode Island coastline from Providence down to Warwick and stretching out to Westerly. 6 to 8 inches from central Plymouth County and northern Plymouth County from Plymouth up to Brockton and down for Taunton and Attleboro, stretching into much of Providence and Pawtucket, then stretching down through central Rhode Island and down for central Connecticut down through south of Hartford. 8 to 10 inches from northern Connecticut from Hartford, stretching out through Putnam and down from much of southern Worcester County and then Norfolk County and then Boston and up in northeastern Massachusetts and south central New Hampshire. 10 and 14 inches from northern Worcester County up to northern New Hampshire, and 10 to 14 inches also possible in the Berkshires here. Out and Leicester Maps of 6 to 8 to 4 inches around the Gloucester Cape Ann area here. And we are under a winter storm watch is in effect. As snow will end this evening as low pressure heads farther offshore as another low pressure system will track southeast of New England when they bring in the potential for some several inches of snow and perhaps a wintry mix to the south coast. Winter storm watch remains in effect from late Tuesday night, throughout Wednesday afternoon time and late Tuesday night and then Wednesday afternoon. Accumulation, snow accumulation of 6 to 10 inches possible. Impacts difficult traveling conditions, especially during the Wednesday morning commute. A winter storm watch means minimum accumulation of snow and ice are possible, and plan to have travel completed Tuesday evening. Consider altering travel plans for Wednesday. Stay tuned for the updated information there. Day 1 to 8 tonight, high confidence light snow expected today, while accumulation will typically be light, and there will be likely impact on the Monday morning commute with reduced visibility and possibly slippery conditions on untreated surfaces. And date for 7 Tuesday for Sunday, winter storm watch. Okay, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast goes like this. Well, late afternoon, snow likely, counting with a high near 36 degrees, north wind about 7 miles per hour, chance of precipitation is 60%, total daytime snow accumulation 1 to 3 inches possible. Tonight, a chance of snow mainly before 7 p.m. cloud skies during the early evening, then gradual clearing, then low around 20 degrees, north wind about 6 miles per hour, becoming common after midnight, chance of precipitation is 30%. New snow accumulation less than a half an inch possible. Tuesday, both the night skies under 36 degrees, light variable wind. Tuesday night, snow likely mainly after 4 a.m. Mostly clouds, low and 24 degrees. Light and variable wind. Chance of precipitation is 60%. New snow accumulation 1 to 2 inches possible. Wednesday, snow and sleet becoming all snow by 3 p.m. or after 3 p.m. and high near 32 degrees. Northeast wind about 7 to 11 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 100%. Wednesday night, the chance of snow mainly before 2 a.m. Mostly clouds, but low around 19 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 40%. Thursday, mostly sunny skies, high near 30 degrees. Thursday night, podcast skies low and 10 degrees. Friday, mostly sunny skies, high near 30 degrees. Friday night, podcast skies low and 15 degrees. Saturday, mostly sunny skies, high near 31 degrees. Saturday night, mostly skies low and 17 degrees. Sunday, a chance of snow, mostly skies high near 33 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 40%. Sunday night, a chance of snow, mostly skies low around 19 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 50%. On Monday, a chance of snow, mostly skies high near 30 degrees. Peters, what a phrase of the evening. Snow tapering off tonight and more snow tomorrow night and Wednesday. This is PJ Wednesday. We have a good evening with a good president. I'll be see you at 11 o'clock. Have a good evening.